Hi! How is everybody? I know why you're here. The title of the video, green card lottery update, visa situation update. So the update with that is global pandemic, massive changes in structures of things. I actually don't know what might happen. So I was due to fly back out in March this year, March 2020, finishing college up, going to fly myself over. That did not happen. Borders were closed. Wasn't interested in getting on a plane, flying somewhere because I had no job. I had a lot of people that were stressed out about things, and me not so much, but I don't stress out about sensible things. I stress out about stupid things. Yeah, that was my summer, spring 2020. Did not happen. Did not, just chose to leave it there. Haven't chased it up. Don't know what to do with it. Probably won't chase it up for now, mostly because where would I go over there in America with everybody so worried about everything? So I'm just going to let it lie. So that is my update on the green card. I am still in Ireland. I have not taken my green card for America, and I'm okay with that. That's not a problem for me. And I don't think it would be. I mean, if you're having problems with your green card, I'll drop your question in the comments below and I will do what I can to answer you. I don't have any idea what's happening with it. I've had to make my decision based on my personal circumstances. Please do that for yourself as well. You'll know what to do. You know how to find, keep going till you find the answers. There's lots of resources out there, not just myself. So what am I doing instead? That is a great question, Eileen. Thank you very much for asking. Let me answer that question. If you're interested, so the update for me is working from home, finished my degree, watching the puppies play. It's a beautiful sunny day in Ireland, so we're very lucky. We've had lovely weather this year during our our lockdown, our restrictions, which are basically eased at this point for people within the country anyways. Travelling out of the country is still a bit difficult, and other countries' borders being closed and stuff like that. So that's what we have to deal with. I'm not going to talk too much about that on this channel from now on. I'm going to talk more about fun stuff, like one hobby that I've taken up now that we have more time is horseback archery. Robin Hood, full-blown Robin Hood. So hopefully I'll now taking 3 sessions of horseback archery. I have some videos posted on Instagram, and tomorrow will be my 4th one. But we'll see. I have horse here. I'll train the horse up to do horseback archery. Maybe do some fun, make some fun videos about that. God only knows what else I'll get up to, because plans for 2020 have significantly changed. So yeah, come along. Hopefully I get back into the habit of posting videos once a month anyways, maybe twice a month when things are so quiet, and see what you'd like about it. You know, who knows? I don't know what else to say, so I'm going to shut up. Drop a comment down below if you have any questions about what I've said, and I will see you in the next video, guys. Bye bye. And actually, this is one question I have. Would you like to see my horses? Also, what are your plans for 2020? What are your plans for 2020, Jasper? Where are you? Hello. This big frightened looking one is Jasper. Huh? And then I have Chicken Nugget, as I call her. And then the other one over there that won't talk to us. So what are your plans for 2020? I'm pretty sure we make some. Alright, even if they're going to be very weak and faint. I know it's probably the sun is shining in the wrong direction, but the horses are this side of me, unfortunately. Yes. Oh. Alright, that is the end of the video, I promise. Okay, bye bye guys.